How's it going, everybody? Today we're going to be taking a closer look at the Forest River Cherokee. This is going to be their Alpha Wolf 33BH floor plan. Now the BH is going to stand for bunkhouse, and you'll see that as soon as we get on the inside, but I want to take a look at the exterior before we take a step in. So as you can see, you had that pass-through storage up front. You do have 2 entrances on this travel trailer, as well as 1 slide out on the camp side, 3 slide outs in total. Towards the rear, you're going to see your outdoor kitchen, an oversized refrigerator, ice maker, sink, storage, and a cute little pull-out tray in case you needed some extra prep room. Looking down at the tires, you can tell that it is dual axle. And if we take a step on the inside, we're going to start with our dining room kitchen area first. So straight ahead, you're going to see your dinette. This dinette has some super deep drawers underneath for some extra storage, as well as turns into a bed. Speaking of turns into bed, this couch right next to it does the same. If you wanted some extra elbow room, you have this little flip up guy that you are able to put up. And then across from that, you're going to see your entertainment center. This entertainment center has a smart TV. You also have your fireplace, a little bit of storage in the middle. But the one thing that this camper has to shine, they really do a great job of it. You've got your kitchen island, a little bit of a cookbook situation going on down here for storage, microwave, 3-burner cooktop, oven, oversized 12-volt refrigerator, really a great looking sink, single basin, of course. And then at the back of this travel trailer, you're going to find your bunk room. This bunk room does have a slide, so it really opens the space up for those kiddos. On the right-hand side, you're going to have a flip-down bunk with a couch down below. And then on the left side, you're going to see a single bunk with your TV backer, a little ladder, and a window on the back wall. But the one cool thing about this bunk room, it has a half bath off of it just for the kiddos. You have your porcelain toilet down below, medicine cabinet, sink. You got a little bit of a towel storage situation going on there. And then if we make our way towards the middle of this travel trailer, you're going to see your other bathroom. Now it is a little bit funky shaped, but it definitely gets the job done. Another porcelain toilet, storage on the left-hand side. If we make our way in, you're going to see your radius shower with your skylight up above. And then you have a corner medicine cabinet with a corner sink. At the very front of this travel trailer, you're going to see your main bedroom. This is going to be a queen-size bed. You have storage surrounding. You have CPAP, little storage in the corner there. Windows on either side of the bed. Storage underneath, of course. And then you do also have a TV backer already put in place. All right, guys, this is going to be your 2025 Cherokee 33BH. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Your bunk room. This bunk room does have a slide, so it really opens the space up for those kiddos. On the right